Hey guys, welcome back to another Crane Forum video. In today's video, we have a NinjaBatt portable battery station. So as you can see, this is really cool, guys. This is about $300, but right now on Amazon, I believe it's like $290, $260-ish. But I actually got this on a lightning deal sale through Amazon, and I picked it up for about $190. So a really good deal for this, guys. Portable power station, PD 3.0, 60 watts, 280 watt hours backup battery, and then 300 watts AC output. So very cool. We'll do the unboxing, and I won't do the review till I've actually used this product. This is not a paid advertisement or product. I actually bought this myself with my own money, so pretty cool. 2 times USB, 5 volts, 2.4 amps, 60 watt PD, Type C port, 2 times AC, and 3 DC volts or sockets. So here we go. Here's the front of it. Lithium battery, portable power station. Package includes MC4 cable, car charger, AC charger. NinjaBatt. So check them out, guys. Like I said, if you guys want to sponsor me later on, you can. But here's the stuff. So it says, juice up anywhere, anytime. 12 volt LED lights. So pretty cool. This is nice. That lets you see how long you can charge things up. So 12 volt LED lights, 93 hours. CPAP machine, 10 plus hours. A mini fridge is about 8 hours. Smartphones about 40 charges. Laptops 6 charges. 3 rechargeable options. You can either do car lightning, solar panel, or AC socket from the home. So pretty cool. I got it mainly for the solar panel. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's my first time opening this, guys. So let's see. Whoa. So you do get a coupon, a thank you, and a user guide or manual. But like I said, we don't really read too many of these, but if you do need it, of course, you can check it out. This even shows you how to do it with solar power, so pretty cool. I'm really excited. I've been wanting this since I'm doing a lot of camping, and also here in North Carolina, we tend to have a lot of hurricanes and stuff, so. Wow, so this is, I'm guessing, so this is to charge it. This is going to be the AC charger for the house. Yep. This should be the other end. Sure is. So this is for your AC or DC charger for the car. This is, I believe, this is for your solar power or solar panel. And then this is, or maybe this is for your solar power. Not too sure. Yeah, it's a lot of connections. And then this is for the house. So different connections, but I'm mainly going to be charging it either in the car or via the wall adapter or the wall socket in the house. Now let's go ahead and open this up. So really cool. It does have a nice handle. It does have some weight to it, guys. Wow. Very nice packaged in here. So you can see foam and everything protection. Wow. Got some weight to it. I'd say probably 3 pounds, maybe 2-3 pounds. So I like that it's rubberized on the bottom. So when you sit it down, it feels really good. It does have NinjaBatt up here. Really cool. Here is the AC fan. That way it cools it off. Then here you do have an LED light. Wow. Pretty bright, actually. Ooh, it gets brighter. Even brighter. Wow, so 3 levels of brightness. As you can see, here it is. I have 99 hours, so it looks like 66% charged. Then the output, no watts. There's a display. This is where you connect something to charge, so AC. So very cool. It's check it out, guys. Really cool. So DC 1. So this is to connect, I don't even know, 12 volts, 3 amp. This is USB. So USB Type C, 60 watts, and then 2 USB. This is Type C connector. Does have this, I'm guessing, to charge it. Input. Yep. Different ways to charge it. So this is through the DC. So pretty cool, guys. Overall, I think it's nice. I like the light, and I like the display too. Very crisp display. So I'll go ahead and charge it up, and we'll go ahead and use that later on. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. This is me just kind of doing a quick unboxing, and we'll do a full review later on.